Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Welcome back to the screen of my phone. So, in this video today, very quickly, we'll be talking about how you can make at least $100,000 every year or annually, depending on what service you can offer. Now, please do not be scared because I'll be showing you also a website that you can learn these services for free, and it is not whatever services website that they will ask you to pay. This is for free, and it depends. Now, if you're willing to work, you should devote your time. If you don't have money, you should be willing to give your time or put your time and effort into these things for you to start seeing results. So guys, welcome back to Self Hustle. If you're new to this channel, please do what subscribe to this channel, like this video if you like our content, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you this, or you're enjoying videos like this, please do well to say thank you in the comment section, or do well to say I want more videos like this. It's without wasting much of our time. It accepts people from all over the world. It doesn't matter whether you're from Nigeria, you're from Kenya, you're from Ghana, you're from South Africa, you're from the US, you're from the UK, anywhere you are in the world, this website accepts every applicant. You understand? So let me just open my Chrome browser. So we'll be taking a look at what this website itself entails. We need to allow it to load. So now this is the website. The website, as you can see, let's see. There are a lot of people on this website that are from wherever you are in the world. Now, this particular website, this is a mobile version. So as you can see, it says it matches the world best talented professionals with 100% remote careers. Now, this one is not looking for come to office. It's looking for you to work for them remotely. Find the most talented professionals in the world, give them a way to prove their skills, enable the top few to access high-paying remote jobs. Now, as you can see, recruitment sucks, but we are fixing it. So we are fixing it. These people, their mission is actually to fix the fact that there is no job in your country, or there's no job in our country. Their mission is, it says it's hard, but it's worth it. So let's hear testimonies from people. Let's see their testimonies, their reviews. So this particular lady is from Brazil, and she's working with this company. She got recruited by these people. This particular one is black and is from Nigeria. Let's take a look at his profile. As you can see, Temitope Ilesomi, he works with them, and he actually got, so there is no excuse. He said is, how do you learn to code when you don't have a computer? Temitope from Ibadan, Nigeria found a way. So you don't even have an excuse. The fact that you don't have a system shouldn't be a stopper for you. You understand? Just come on this website, read what Temitope has shared from his own experience, and try to see how you can put it into getting a remote job on this website. Now, the name of this particular website that we are looking at here is called Crossover website, crossover.com. Crossover to the better place, crossover to the lighter end. You understand? So without wasting much of our time, we'll be looking at the next website. And after looking at next website, we'll be looking at where you can learn the skills for free and without paying a dime, so that you'll be able to put these skills into use on this website, or you have the knowledge to enable you apply on this website. The next website here we'll be looking at here, as you can see, it says find a job. So let's just go through the website. The website is not location restricted. You can filter your search using location. You can filter your search using their salary range. As you can see, you can increase it, reduce it, depending on how you want to filter your search. You understand? This particular company is well trusted by Microsoft, by Amazon, by Social Scale AI, by Stripe, by Shopify, by Caribbean, by Grift Hub, by Intercom, by Upwork, by AngelList. They are well recognized by a lot of big organizations. You understand? So all you have to do here, just like crossover, you just look for the jobs that you know you can do, and just click on the jobs, check their review. So let's go through one. This social support manager, Let's take a look at it. As you can see, it says they are willing to pay between $30,000 to $50,000 every year. So if you divide it, it means you that's the amount. This particular one, what they expect of you, what they are looking for in you, so you'll be able to edit your CV to fit in into that particular job application. You understand? And it is worldwide. So guys, one thing I didn't show you about crossover is their pricing, like their amount rate and how you can apply. Well, on crossover, you do not have to waste much of your time. What you need to do is to go to their job search, click on the available jobs. Let's take a look at it here. You click on this three button here and you click on for job seekers. You click on it and you click on remote jobs. Now there are remote jobs, you'll be able to see it and how much they can pay. You understand? This one is 100K a year. As you can see, UX design lead. This particular one, 200K back end engineer. This one 100K as well. Togi school 100K. That's if you're in the teaching line. This particular one is 200K senior developer. Now this money will be paid to you instrumentally, so you don't have to be scared. Is it until I'm done with the 1 year before they pay me? No, you do not have to be scared. It will be paid to you instrumentally. On both websites, you get paid instrumentally. Now, your payment method, because some of you will ask me, what payment method can we use? If you have a dollar domiciliary account, that is okay. Now, if you don't have, you can use PayPal, you can use Payoneer, you can use Payday, you can just use basically any of this payment method, especially Payoneer. It's quite easy and fast. PayPal is also good, but it's not really accepted in all the countries. So Payoneer, Payday, and other payment gateways. That depends on you and your clients. Now, for you to learn these skills or these jobs or this whatever that you want to learn for free, you need to come to Google Learning Platform. You understand? Do not get me wrong. You need to join the Google Learning Platform. Now, what you need to do is to open a new tab and type Google Skill Shop. Now, open a new platform, type Google Skills Shop. Anything you are learning on this particular website is actually free. It is verified from Google, like certified from Google. You understand? Nobody will see your Google certificate and will want to throw it away or trash it. You can attach it to any of your CV, you can attach it to any of your accounts that you just opened or created, and you can please ensure to say it in your job applications that you got certifications from Google. Now you can go into Google Ads, you can go into Google Marketing Platform, you can go into Analytics Academy, you can go into Ways, whatever platform you want to go into, Google has got you. Free for you to learn. Some of them requires you to work for like 3 weeks, as learning for like 3 weeks. Some requires you a month. Now, if you feel that you don't have data, you can do midnight sub. And learn, do your reviews and everything. You understand? Watch YouTube videos, everything. Just have the idea of what you want to apply for. Because in case you're lucky and they call you for interview, you will be able to defend whatever you are applying for. You understand? I have a lot of people. There's this particular lady that even got a remote job, and she was even saying that they said that she is overqualified. You understand? She applied using this crossover. She applied using crossover, and she was like, the client said that she is over qualified for the job, and she doesn't even have experience because they are looking for entry levels. So she doesn't even have like experience. What she did was to devote her time and learn using Google. So guys, do well to learn with Google. Try and improve on yourself and see if you can apply on any of this platform listed and start making money, because on Google it is free for you to learn. So without wasting much of our time, guys, thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? I'll be creating more videos about how you can, get a remote job or how you can make money online on this our channel. So do well to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.